Dear students, hope you are fine. Today let's discuss about the major physiographic division of India. We all know that India has 6 major physiographic divisions. Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, peninsular plateau, deserts, coastal plains and islands. Now the first major one, Himalayan mountains. Himalayas are geologically young and structurally fold mountains stretch over the northern borders of India. These ranges run in a west-east direction from Indus to Brahmaputra. They form a knot which covers the distance of 2,400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir and 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. Himalaya consists of 3 parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. Himadri or Great or Inner Himalaya, Himachal or Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik or Outer Himalaya. The northernmost range is known as Himadri. It is the most continuous range consisting of loftiest peaks with an average height of 6,000 meters. It contains all prominent peaks. It remains snow-covered throughout the year, resulting in the formation of glaciers and some perennial rivers. Then Himachal, it lies to the south of Himadri, formed rugged mountain system. Its average height is 3,700 to 4,500 meters. Their width varies from 50 km. These ranges are composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. Some important ranges are the Piyapanchal range, Dhaulada, Mahabharat range. It has some important valleys, Kulu, Kangra and Kashmir. They are not their hill stations. The last one, Shivalik. It is the outermost range of Himalaya. Its height varies from 900 to 1,100 meters. The average width is 10 to 50 kilometers. These ranges are composed with unconsolidated sediments brought down by the rivers. These valleys are covered with thick gravel and alluvium. The longitudinal valleys lying between the Lesser Himalaya and the Shivalik is known as domes. Patli Dome, Dara Dome, Kotli Dome are some well-known domes. Besides these longitudinal divisions, Himalayas are divided on the basis of regions. These divisions have been demarcated by river valleys. For example, the part of Himalaya lying between the Indus and the Satluj is known as Punjab Himalaya. The part of Himalaya lying between the Satluj and the Kali River is known as Kumaon Himalaya. The part of Himalaya lying between the Kali and Tista River is known as Nepal Himalaya. The part of Himalaya lying between the Tista and Dihang River is known as Assam Himalaya. Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of Himalaya. Beyond the Dihang Gorge, Himalaya bends sharply to the south and spread along the northeastern borders of India. These ranges are known as Purvanchal or Eastern Hills. These ranges running through the northeastern states of India covered with dense forests. The Purvanchal Hills comprises the Naga Hills, Patkai Hills, Mizo Hills and Manipur Hills. I repeat, the Himalaya consists of 3 parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. That is Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Besides these longitudinal divisions, Himalayas have been divided on the basis of regions. Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya, Assam Himalaya. These are the important features about the Himalayan mountains. Thank you children. Let's continue next class.